Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So I just want to show you very quickly how to launch a necklace, a heart-shaped one, in Gearbubble. So I've got my necklace here. It just says, "To my daughter, I love you then, love you still, always have and always will." And I want to put this onto a necklace. So I'm going to go Launch, Traditional. Then in here I'm going to go to Necklace, scroll down, go Next Step. And then from here I'm going to select my heart necklace. And then I'm going to click Upload Design, Upload Graphic. And from here, I'm going to go into my folder. I have a template club, so I have all these. And it is this one. So it's already made. Then you just click on this little thing on the bottom, pull it down, move it up a little. And what you'll find is sometimes it won't get in there correctly. So what you have to do is turn off this snap to center and then move it around. And just drag it down a hair more. And I like to overlap it a bit because it will actually resize a tiny bit. Now for pricing, I would go like $39.95. That'll give you a nice healthy $32 profit per sale, which is really good. And then you can personalize these too, but I'm just going to click on Next Step. And it'll do that for me. And then in here, I'm going to put the title, "To my daughter, I loved you then," and then I'll put necklace. And then in here for the description, you can leave it or you can customize this. So I'm actually going to delete this and I'll do the old school. So you ask a question and then you answer it. And watch the smile on her face. Light up the room, or whatever cheese ball thing you want to say. And then it went to bold, so go like this. And hit that. There you go. Now category, you can do whatever you want. Family, tags, you could do dad to daughter. For the campaign length, it doesn't matter at all because it will just... This used to be when they had like countdown timers going, but they never actually got rid of this. They could totally get rid of this now. And then you have to pick a URL. So I'll say dad to... That's probably taken. There, dad to daughter loved. And there's your price. You can adjust it again. You have a buy it now button. Make it evergreen, click that, click launch. And now it's actually going to launch it in a second. And then we can actually do a lot of stuff with this now too. We could sell this on Facebook, we could sell this on Google, we could sell this on a group. We could sell it on TikTok, we could sell it on Snapchat, we could sell it on YouTube. Anywhere you want to do it. If you have an email list, you can email it out. It works very, very well that way. So let's just go look at it, see what the page looks like. And you can see this is it. Looks very good. Awesome. Good stuff. So that's how you launch it, and then you can actually buy it, and it looks great. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.